Want to make your travel videos look like a blockbuster movie, but all you have is your phone? No problem. Forget spending thousands on Hollywood-level equipment. I'm going to show you how to get those stunning cinematic shots with just the gear in your pocket. First, grab your smartphone and a simple gimbal. A gimbal is key for those buttery smooth tracking shots that scream professional. Next, before you hit record, find your subject and lock the exposure and focus on your phone. This stops the camera from randomly changing brightness and keeps your shot looking consistent and intentional. Now for the magic trick. Shoot in 60 frames per second. This gives you the flexibility to slow down your footage for that epic slow motion effect. Finally, edit your clips. Add a free cinematic loop filter for gorgeous color grading and layer in some ambient sounds from your trip. Just like that, you've turned a simple phone video into a cinematic masterpiece. Spielberg might just give you a call. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.